In 1916, Hammond made radios. Today, its new factory is filled with stacks of computer racks and cabinets, ready to ship. Steve, we're in your new 119,000 square foot facility. How does this building help Hammond?
Well, this has really been a dream of ours to get a new facility that we could really gear towards our business of datacom, telecom, broadcast, and security products, enclosure products.
You have two machines, the laser cutter and the puncher. How do they work?
Well, the laser machine, even the NC turret punch, this is not new technology, but the advancements are happening every day on these types of products. The NC turret, that's great when you've got products that have a lot of holes, a lot of cutting that needs to be done that can't really be done. Could probably be done on the laser, but it's not as good. And with the NC punch, you've got a hard tool. If you've got to punch 100 of those, you can do that a lot quicker than with the laser.
Steve, describe to me the production process as I believe the material moves from east to west.
It starts, again, laser or NC turret punches at the fab centers at the very back of the building. Next set of steps happens is where we have a line of brake presses set up, and then we have, again, secondary, tertiary operations tied to each of those brake presses. So from there, we can do welding, spot welding, stud welding, fine finishing, and again, beyond that, you get into the paint line. And then you get right into the assembly area where you do your assembly and packaging, and then right out the door, all in this one facility.
What's the future of server cabinets and racks? I mean, I look at cloud computing and it seems to be everywhere, and will that help?
Absolutely. I mean, any of that kind of business is why we're standing here today. And it's a growing market, so we have that organic growth that is in front of us, but at the same time, we want to be able to just service our customers and go after new customers and just do the best we can.
Max Work, CTV News, Guelph.